Welcome back, girls. Let's bake some hair buns. So tie the ends of your hair in the middle and have the remaining section into two. Then tie two more rubber bands in the either sections of your hair and make it loop. Then drop it in the respective manner. Then have the remaining part of your hair with another rubber band, comb it a bit down and have one more rubber band at the bottom. Make it a big loop and cover the two buns we created. Now add in some extra volume and the hair clip of your choice. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle and do the twisted pattern. And grab the remaining part of your hair, tie one more rubber band in the top middle, comb it a bit and move the right section inwards into the right part and have it downwards. Do the same in the left side of your hair as well. Now grab the remaining tips and have a rubber band at the top. Now move it a bit further and have a rubber band and secure it with a hair clip. Now have one more hair clip of your choice. Again, go for the twisted design in the middle and have the right section into three parts and start braiding it all over but leaving the tips. Then have it roll over on the loop we created first completely. Then comb it a bit further down and have a rubber band in the top middle part. Then comb it even more further and drop the entire into the right loop. Then in the remaining part of your hair, comb it and braid it all over. Then have a swirl clockwise manner and attach a hair clip. Now have the twisted hair design and have the right section of your hair combed a bit and drop it into the left section, but it should be near the rubber band. Now with the remaining part of your hair, comb it down and start braiding it with having three sections, but leave the tips. Now have a rubber band and fold it a bit top and move it even more further to the right. Hold it in place and to secure it, have a little hair clip and make it adjustments. Now have a big hair clip of your choice. Have your ponytail and have a little rubber band in the middle. Then with the remaining part of your hair, divide it into three and start braiding it from all over. Then create a little volume in the middle and drop it inside. Then have a little loop in the first rubber band and fix it. Then move the entire braid to top, making it as the bun and secure it with a hair clip. Have your ponytail and have a rubber band in the bottom part. Then start combing it and make a little loop in the middle and start twisting that. Make a little hole and make it upwards. Then twist it completely clockwise and secure the bun with a beautiful hair clip of your choice. Go for the bunches again and have a rubber band in the middle part. Then with the remaining part of your hair, make it into three sections and start braiding it a little bit. Then comb it a bit further down. Then create a loop in the first and start dropping that. And have a loop in the first rubber band and fix it. Move it downwards and create a bun. Then have a beautiful hair clip of your choice. Go for the twisted pattern again and have the right section of your hair, drop it into the left but very near to the rubber band's left. And using a hair loop, drop the left section of your hair on the right of your rubber band. Now cover the remaining part of your hair, make it into three sections and start braiding it all over. Now completely roll it from inwards and drop it inside, covering the buns. Now secure it with a little hair clip and a bigger hair clip. Thank you, girls.